In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a gift with purchase on Shopify. Offering a gift with purchase is a fantastic way to increase sales and engage customers, and Shopify makes it relatively simple to set up. So let's dive right in and explore how you can offer this promotional feature on your online store. First, you need to head over to your Shopify dashboard. This is your central hub on Shopify where you manage every aspect of your store. Once you're in there, look for the Discounts section. This is where you will create and manage any promotional offers your store is running. Click on Discounts and then proceed to click on Create Discount. This action will bring up several discount options tailored to different types of promotions you might want to run. Moving on, you'll want to select the Buy X, Get Y option. This specific choice allows you to configure promotions where customers must buy a certain product to get another product, in this case, a gift. It's the perfect mechanism for handling a gift with purchase offer effectively. Now it's time to create your discount code. You can generate a code automatically, or if you prefer something that'll be easier for customers to recall, you can type your own. Including the word gift in your code can be helpful. It's short, clear, and directly related to your promotion, which can make your discount code feel more engaging and purposeful for your customers. After setting up your code, you'll have to decide which products and the quantity of those products are eligible for this offer. This step is crucial as it defines the exact terms of your gift offer. Be specific about the product or range of products customers need to purchase to qualify for their complimentary gift. Remember to tailor it to suit your inventory and promotional goals. The next step is to decide on the discount percentage. Here, you'll need to define the monetary value that the gift item contributes to the sale. Typically, you might set this to 100% if your gift item is free, with a purchase, or a smaller percentage if you want to implement a partial discount model. Now, it's important to set a date for this promotion. By providing defined timeframes, you're able to create urgency and encourage customers to make a purchase sooner rather than later. Select a start and an end date that fits your marketing strategy, whether it be during a special season, holiday, or another promotional period unique to your store's calendar. And finally, don't forget to hit the Save button. Saving your work makes sure all of your settings are correctly stored, and your promotion is ready to go live as soon as the start date hits. It's always a good idea to double-check everything before finalizing. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've set up a successful gift with purchase offer on Shopify, giving you another fantastic tool to boost customer engagement and loyalty. Thanks for tuning in, and happy selling!